Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab, because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. Oh man, about to go here to pull apart in a second, but while I was going, the Jeep that I purchased, so dropping off this Jeep I purchased. It's a 2008, I believe, Jeep Compass, or 2009. It's one of these years. I'm not 100% sure. Just park it over there. I forget what year it is, but when I make it, you know, y'all see it in the thumbnail. Y'all see it in the thumbnail, but yeah, they're just now dropping it off. Bought it from ACV. Appreciate you. Interior is pretty good, in good shape. It's already cleaned up. Good interior, good tires. It does have some damage on the. Okay, this tire's not. Yeah, that tire's not good. This tire's not good. That one's got a little bit of tread, but it ain't the best. Just little things coming off the sides. Good interior. Let him finish taking his pictures right quick. And then we'll go take it for a spin, see how she riding, and we'll do another full walk around. Didn't really see that damage on the door, so I'll probably have to take that to. I'm gonna probably just take it to Wilson, get that fixed. Take that to Wilson, get that fixed, and you know, call it a day. I got seen some damage, but like sometimes when they take the pictures of the cars, it's like they take them from an angle. So like this one ain't got no damage, but if you take it from a certain angle, then you know the way stuff hits off of it to see it, and like the time of day when they take the pictures and stuff. But let me sign this for him right quick, and I'll be right with y'all. Then I'll take it for a test drive. Then I'm gonna head to pull parts and grab these parts for the other car. And let me do this right quick. Be right back with y'all. Alrighty, so let's see what we got. Got decent tires on the back, as decent as possible. Like I said, you see this damage on the door. Looks like it was side swiped or something. Maybe that's what it looks like. It looks like somebody side swiped it like that, or they side swiped something. I'm not 100% sure. Definitely need two tires from the front. Have him do all this touch-up paint on the or if he got, but he's probably gonna have to I don't know how he can fix that door. Probably shouldn't be. Hopefully it's not too much to fix that door, because it ain't like too damaged. So maybe maybe 150 or something to fix that door, and then have him touch up all of this. You know, hopefully 150, maybe 200. You know, that's what I'm thinking. Look at that thing. Went the grease monkey. So hopefully Grease Monkey kept him straight. Talking to that guy, that's what you gotta do. That's what always tell people. Interact with people, interact. So he was letting me know that it's a good business to get in. You know, if I wanted to get in, you know, he'll get me hooked up whenever I'm ready. So that's just another business avenue. And it's something that I can let somebody else do, you know. Let me pop this. Sorry about that. Okay, cool. We got the four bang that I bought this car so long ago that I'm here. Cool. I like the four bangers. I like the fours. I like the four bangers. The thing I don't like about these Jeeps is I think they got the CVT transmission, so you know. But when I bought it, they didn't say anything about no transmission issues, so fired right up. No check engine lights on. No service lights on. Got to change oil. They got to change oil, so we got to go do that. We'll do that here. Do that here when we get back. Seat belt. We'll check engines. Good. Great interior. Oil change. 2 front tires. Fix this part. Wheels. Okay, brakes. They just got the oil change. No, it's due for oil change. It's like right at the point due for one. It's like, because it says next service about 400 miles from where it's at now. So. Let's see. Okay, it's got the little traction control light on. It came on, so it's got it. It's probably due to like a wheel sensor or something. Cause I know like these come on from like the wheel sensors and stuff. But it's driving good. Driving good, shifting good. Like I said, I had to see which wheel sensor it is because I had my Jeep did the same thing. The traction control came on. It might just be due to these bad tires. Like I said, 213 on the miles. But I mean, all cars are gonna have a good amount of miles these days. Just about, but I don't know. I feel like the price I paid for it is hitter. The price I paid for it, and you know, it's not terrible. It's not the best, but it's not terrible, you know. So, but it's solid. Get whatever wheel sensor needs to be replaced, because I mean, transmission shifting like it's supposed to. No check engine lights. Fix that damage in the door. Oil change in the wheel sensor, and go to the tire shop that's down the street. They got the good price. They got the good tires for the good price. Oh yeah, it's about a 4,500, about 4,500 worth of Jeep. People like Jeeps. $4 grand, 4,500. I'd say 4,500. You know, I'll hold it over to. I just hold it to tax time. You know, I'll just take my time right now. You know, sell some other cars. You know, fix one thing at a time. You know, but I can fix all that. I'll just fix all at once. Who knows? I might drive it for a little while. Might just drive it till the end. Like I said, drive it till the end. Sell all these other little cheaper cars out the way. Like I said, the only thing ain't got on is a little ESB. Whew. To the auction today and pick up 2 cars, but I'm waiting on my brother, so I'm gonna go to the salvage yard first. I want to get this little one little Buick that I got, that Buick that I bought before I left town. Man, gotta get back into the groove of everything. You know, it's getting back into the groove of everything. But this interior is clean though. A little wipe down, you know, a little wipe down. It ain't like too bad. Little. Okay, needs a mount, because look, when you put it in drive, that vibration. Then when you put it in neutral, oops, vibration goes away. Vibration goes away. So one of these mounts bad, probably like the one on the back. So that's something else I need. When my brother gets here, I have him see which mount I need. I'll probably just order the set, because when you order the set of mounts, it's always way cheaper. I mean, not always way cheaper, but it's really like not that much more. So not that much more, but we're back. Good old test drive. I mean, the tires didn't seem like it made too big of a difference, you know, but we'll see. We shall see. But we'll do it, like I said, gotta get that door fixed. Get that door fixed, get that paint touched up. Oh snaps, I didn't know I had a cracked tail light. I go get that too. See if maybe he can touch all of this up too, or maybe like hit it with some paint or something. I don't know. Maybe he can maybe he can blend it, you know. Try to blend all of this. Just try to make it him looking, you know, maybe try to get all that blended. It ain't like it ain't battered, like too bad or nothing. But if he's already gonna have some paint for this, maybe I can just have him just, you know, blend it up for me. What y'all think? Y'all think I can get 45 out of that thing? I think I can, especially during tax time, you know. Let me open this gate. Open up my gate. Then I'm gonna grab some tools and I'm gonna go run the puller parts right quick. Y'all see my Jaguar lanyard, Jaguar hoodie with my Jaguar slippers. I ain't got my slippers on, but they at the house. And then when I was in Denver, I got about 4 autographed Jaguar like little pictures. It was a good time in there. It was a good time. Today was a good day. I can't keep either. Make sure all this heat and AC and stuff work. Heat works. Woo! AC kicked in real quick without even me. Oh yeah, AC works. Aux radio. So I'm gonna go buy an aux too. That's what you do. Grab an aux. Probably like an iPhone aux or something. Most people got iPhones. You know, majority of the world got an iPhone. And stuff like that, you know. Park this Jeep next to this guard. So if my plans work out like we want to, we can make some good money during make a check. We can make a check right now, but I mean it's better if you get it in a lump sum. I mean, it's better if it all comes at once. But that's why people always ask, like, why you like buying cheaper cars, just to keep the cash flowing. Like they call cash flow card. They're helping somebody and it's a cash flow. So Jeep. So we got this Jeep. We got the Dart. We got some Malibus. We got this Buick that I need to go to the salvage yard and go get this grill for. This cheap little fix. So I'm gonna go in there, grab that little grill piece. Tires flat, so I have to go get that checked. Probably get them all balanced too while I'm at it. Clean it up, post it real quick, take this one to the body man and just have them try to blend all these blemishes up off the side, get all these blemishes off this Honda. So Honda for tax time. The project babies. Oh yeah, I gotta get this one fixed too. You know, Fix that one. Fix that Nissan. So what I'll do is I'm gonna save some to tax time, and I'm gonna finance some too. So I'm gonna have them. I'm gonna save some, save some for like I said, save some to tax time, save some to finance, like this one too. 13. See, they sold it to me. Sold, baby. 13 Sonata, 13 or 14. I can't remember what year it is. I believe it's a 13 though. Sonata, you know, Sonata, baby. So we got that. We got this baby right there. Probably hit somebody with the finance. So this got 99,000 miles. That one got 99,000 miles. 170 on this Honda right there. This is what I'm whipping right now. About to go whip to the salvage yard in this. Grab those parts of that Buick. Grab that grill. Grab a little trim piece off the side. Then get that up out of here for like $1,000 or $900,000. You know, quick little flip cars. Make some quick money. Keep the money flowing. Then I got some other stuff that I'm working on. And then that guy, he just told me what I need to do to get into that hauling business if I wanted to do that. So this is looking like a good year. It's looking like a good year. But I appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.